NinjaTrader version 8.17 has just been released, and I wanted to make this video to go over one specific feature that I think is going to help a lot of traders when it comes to backtesting. And that new feature is the ability to create multiple playback accounts. As many of you over on Discord know, I often say market replay is the best way to backtest your strategies. It's going to give you the most accurate results. You're going to be able to see how your strategy actually takes trades and how things function as the price progresses. But with that, there is one obvious downside, and that is it is very slow to backtest this way. And also in previous versions, we could only backtest one account at a time. So if you wanted to backtest multiple strategies that use the same instrument, it would be next to impossible to do this without having these strategies interfere with one another. So overall, a very slow and very tedious process. But with this new version of NinjaTrader, while it's still going to be slow to run market replay, and I imagine the more accounts you add, the slower it will be, you can now at least test multiple accounts at the exact same time, which will help save you a ton of time in the long run. I'm going to quickly go over how to set this up. The first thing that you need is market replay data, and I don't want to waste too much time on this. I have a separate video that goes into this in a lot more detail. But to quickly go over it, all you need to do is be connected to a data provider that actually has market replay data. So if you're using any prop firm like Rhythmic or Trade that is already going to be included. All you have to do, connect to that account, then go to Tools, Historical Data, get Market Replay, and select the instrument you want to download for, and then the download button will become available. But again, I have another video that covers this in a lot more detail, and it goes through some troubleshooting tips if you do run into any issues. But assuming you do have market replay data, all you have to do, once you have it, go to your playback connection. And from here, we're going to go into the Accounts tab that's in your control panel down here. If you don't see it, just click on this little plus arrow and make sure you load that tab up. Once in here, you're going to see your Playback 101. All we have to do, right click in this area. We're going to add a playback account. And from here, we can name it whatever we want. I'm just going to say 102. You can give it whatever initial cash you want, any other extra parameters you want, just like you would when creating a sim account. Or you can just leave it as this. So here you're going to get a message that says a disconnect and reconnect is required to make the account change effective. So that's fine. And before we disconnect, you can add as many playback accounts as you want. All you have to do, keep creating them as you will. So once you're done here, simply just disconnect from your playback connection. And then we are going to reconnect. So now before we load any strategies, you can come down to your ChartTrader panel. If you don't have this ChartTrader panel, just come up here to the ChartTrader icon and enable it. And if it's grayed out, I guess NinjaTrader hasn't fixed this bug yet, just create a new chart and you should have these options. Sometimes they are grayed out. That has been ongoing for quite a while, but that's besides the point. So assuming now that you have your ChartTrader panel, just select the account you want to use. So I'm going to keep it as 101 on this left chart. And on the right-hand chart, I'm going to select Playback 102. Now, very important, when you're using strategies, it is not enough to simply select the account from the ChartTrader panel. We have to actually go into the properties and select the account we want our strategy to operate on. So when we go into our strategy properties, scroll all the way down and under setup, go into the account and make sure you select the correct account that you want to use. Do not keep multiple strategies with the same instrument on the same account because they will interfere with one another. So make sure you select the correct account. So once you hit apply, now we can safely enable our strategies. Now this will work for any strategy, But if you are using the Predator X order entry, you will see the account it's associated with in the lower right hand corner of your chart. So we see Playback 101 over here and Playback 102 over here. So now we can enable or hit play on our market replay.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed.
So over here, we start taking trades on Playback 101.
Order failed.
Over here, we start taking trades on Playback.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed.
So over here on the left side, we reached our P&L for the day. We can disable that, any limits that you have. Again, guys, this is not trading advice whatsoever. I literally just put this on for the sake of the video. But ideally, you would put in whatever strategies you want to test.
Order failed.
So here, we'll keep it like this, and we can see the strategy performance of each separate account. So just right click on your chart, strategy performance, Predator. And in this case, because we're just running on market replay, we can just do real time. And here we can see the performance of each day separately. So over here you have your Playback 101. So that's this account, 283. Again, not trading advice. I just put this on for the sake of the video. But over here you can select a separate strategy performance. And then at the end of the backtest, you can see the strategy performance of each separate account that you have. And then that way you can compare your strategies and see which ones perform the best. But that's all I wanted to go over in this video, just how to set up multiple playback accounts on the new version of NinjaTrader. I hope you guys found this useful. As always, take care, enjoy.